Today, I'm introducing your English friend. Enjoy this video.
Hello friends, I'm happy meeting you with AK7DOLL. Hello doll, how are you?
I'm good, how about you?
Equally good. Fine, welcome the viewers.
Hey guys, it's a girl AK7DOLL TV and today we are gonna be doing stuff.
What are you going to do today?
We are basically gonna be doing tongue twisters.
Okay, fine. What is a tongue twister? What's its use?
The name itself gives an idea. Like, she sells seashells on the seashore. I struggled with that in the past, but now I can say it pretty easily because of me repeating it over and over again.
Tongue twisters are fun.
Are fun, but there are some difficult ones that you have to take a long time to pronounce.
Okay. A tongue twister is a combination of difficult words.
Yes, it is fun even though it is difficult.
Difficult to pronounce, right?
Yes, but don't worry, there are easy tongue twisters like she sells seashells on the seashore.
Okay, fine. Shall we go?
Sure.
Right. Burglar alarm. Burglar alarm. Okay. Can you say burglar alarm 5 times? No. Burglar alarm 5 times.
Okay, burglar alarm, burglar alarm, burglar alarm, burglar alarm, burglar alarm.
One more time.
Burglar alarm, burglar alarm, burglar alarm, burglar alarm, burglar alarm, burglar alarm.
Good. Fantastic. Fine. Shall we halt here for a while?
Sure.
Fine. Speak to the viewers.
So, alright guys, this video was pretty short, but at least it taught you something, that tongue twisters aren't just like difficult words. They actually improve your fluency and pronunciation. Now, see you guys in the next video. Bye!